am hearing that you carry the light of the sun and the mystery of the moon. You're a very powerful human being. Therefore, you might be very under pressure or disturbed. Let's be very vast disturbed. Your peace is disturbed. Your light is disturbed. Your truth, your love, your actions are disturbed because you're a light bearer. You came here to create a new earth full of love, and you carry codes, downloads, and activation for yourself, for others, for this planet. This ceremony, this healing session, I trust that if you found it, you're ready to be clear and cleansed. Because today, in this 222-111 on the timer, you receive very particular codes of love or divine union or holy grail. I'm hearing full completion and some energetic disturber try to sabotage 144 when I open my eyes. So we're going to make it a very soft but very powerful, because this is who we are now, right? We fight with love. So I'm going to call upon Sekhmet, Kalima, and Ekate, as well as Thor, Thoth, Isis, Bastet, Zeus, thank you for being here with me, with us. Archangel Michael, thank you for being here, shielding and cloaking the ceremony for collective to receive exactly what they need right now, connecting to your higher self in a deeper scale. And as they penetrate your system through your traumas, that is the purpose of existence, getting rid of fears, stress, anxiety, traumas, deep trapped emotions, as this is their doorway to come to manipulate your thought through your fears. So I'm going to I'm going to help you remember who you are, I'm hearing, by helping you take your power back. If you want a full clearing, cleansing from any spiritual warfare, any spiritual attack, and I'm not going to enter the detail, because if you know, you know. You should check down in my description. You can access a very powerful healer that will help you get rid of anything attached to you or your house or any member of your family. This is probably the most powerful clearing you can get here on planet Earth. You're going to check the person's website. His name is fillupwithlight.com. I'm feeling entering the void right now, helping you preparing your system, because I'm talking to someone that is very I'm hearing fatigue. You're drawn right now. Your energetic system is very drawn, because again, you're like your system is trying to receive powerful information during this portal of love, and there is something inside that is, you see, not allowing all of these codes to be infusing your system, because there is a lot of resistance. I'm hearing, again, there is some stuff attached to you, around you, that do not want these codes of love, if that makes sense. So I'm feeling the resistance here. again, I am here to help you take your power back. It implies that you're going to be able to take action from that, healing yourself, clearing yourself, or asking help from others. Ra, Ria, invoking a Ra, invoking Ra, invoking Ra, Ra, Isis, Kriya, Katarukuma, Adre, Ia, Sara, Akama, Te, Ia, Tru, Matara. And I'm going to shield you with the 26 dimension shield, calling upon the cosmic dragon. I'm feeling like the what it's called, like this sand, moving sand, or something that is absorbing your energy. This is because you're chosen, you're very powerful, you are prepared for something big, and something is trying to sabotage your mission. Calling upon the blue avians also. Yeah, there is definitely something in your house. There is a portal for darkness. I call your power back from any lifetime, space, dimension, realities, person, situation, and entities to you now from any universe. Thoughts, ki, bududuba, dara, mikisira, ututukutera, anda, saraya, 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 sakaraya, koto, tutukututututu, atara, ya, atara, ya, atara, ya, atara, ya, saraya, saraya. Motototo, wareya, saraya, 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 saraya. Saraya, 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 saraya. Motatatraya, tatata, yakaramana, saraya, maya, sa. This is your right, this is your power. Nobody, nothing can utilize your energy, your life force energy, without your consent, without your permission. Yeah, there is money coming your way. Something is trying to sabotage that. If you can emerge in water, please do it. Salty water. It will help also detach some entities around you. I'm hearing you have the strength, you have the power. I'm seeing a lot of fishes, which is a confirmation of abundance coming your way. Yeah, you wanna... I cannot make this up. Manifestations. There is a manifestation coming your way. You saw it. You saw it. You got the vision. Oh my God. God, source, energy gave you the vision of your manifestation. So you just know. So keep going. Anatta, anatta. Anatta. Again, there is massive abundance. You see, coming your way. Be brave, be courageous, hold on, and protect yourself. You can also check my website, Healing Solutions. I offer powerful healing and codes that will help you reach the next level for your soul. Until next time,